Hi, this is Steve from Sensible Lighting Solutions with an interesting new product for charging cell phones. And we've come up with a really interesting solution to a basic problem. And here's the basic problem. This is a small solar panel. This is a 9 volt, 3.5 watt solar panel. And oftentimes these can be used to charge a phone. Here's a cell phone, smartphone. This is an iPhone. And here is an Android phone. Both of these take about 8 watt hours to charge fully. The problem is that this solar panel works best in direct sunlight. And by direct sunlight, what I mean is outside in the sun, right under the sun, not behind a window, not underneath the windshield on the dashboard of your car, but exposed to the direct sun. But you don't want to leave your nice cell phone outside with the solar panel. So we came up with an interesting approach which we call a modular charging system. And here's how it works. You can take one of these inexpensive small solar panels. This one, as I say, is a 9 volt. You can also get one that's about 2/3 this size. It's a 6 volt. And these are quite inexpensive. Some models, entry-level models, are even under $10. And what you do is these come pre-configured with a connector already on them, and then you plug them into our box. This is the SP1008. This plugs in to the SP1008, and what this little box does is it connects this solar panel to a battery bank. Now, what do I mean by a battery bank? You can buy these storage banks that have batteries inside them. This is a 25 watt hour model, and this is a 8 watt hour model. And one of these small ones will charge a smartphone. So what you can do is you can set the bank outside, which is charged through our box, and then you can have one of these, 2 of these, 3 of these, and when they get charged, you can just take them with you. So if you're like me, you get on a long flight or you're in a long drive, you're stuck in traffic, what you can do is you can use the battery bank to top up your cell phone. But the really nice thing about the modular charge is if you want to have bigger capacity, you can get a bigger battery bank. And this will charge up equally well through one of our little controllers. Now, what if you want to charge bigger devices, laptops, tablets, and so forth? You can get a bigger solar panel. Now, this is a 10 watt solar panel, and this is a so-called 12 volt version. If you want to go from a 12 volt solar panel, not a small one like this, down to your battery bank, we make a different product for that. So for 12 volt solar panels, we make the SP1010, and again, you just plug this into the connector on the solar panel, and then that charges the battery bank for you. If you need to have more capacity, if you want to charge 2 laptops, you just buy more solar capacity. This SP1010 will take up to 50 watts of input, and this SP1008, this will take up to 10 watts of input, but it's only meant for solar panels that are low voltage, below 12 volts. So that's it, the 2 new versions, SP1008 and 1010, and modular charging, any capacity you want, and put in your own battery packs. We sell these pre-configured as packs. Check with our distributor, our local distributor. They are the ones actually who provide the solar panels and the battery packs with it. At Sensible Lighting, we make the controllers. And again, this is Steve from Sensible Lighting. And now you can charge in a modular way.